How to hide mentions on Instagram story. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily hide mentions on your Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, update your Instagram app if it's not updated. Then open the app. Now I will mention someone in the story to show you how to hide it. To hide the mentioned account, all you have to do is reduce its size and slide it all the way to the right, left, top or bottom of the screen. I prefer to hide it on the left side of the screen because it's easier to hide. After we have hidden the mentioned account, you can share the story. Now the account you have mentioned will get the notification, but no one will be able to see that you have mentioned the account. So this is how you can hide mentions on Instagram story.